Chief. I'm
Hey, welcome to another edition of I'm So today we got a message from Debbie in Los Angeles. Chief, I gave a wholesaler 10 grand and the appraisal came in $35,000 lower. That's not good. He's got my cash now and I have a shit deal. What do I do? Well, first of all, buy a lot of toilet paper because that is a shit situation. I tell you what, Debbie, you need to verify the comps. You need to make sure, because sometimes appraisals come in low. So we got to make sure that the appraisal's accurate. If the appraisal is accurate, then you're kind of hosed because you got to get that $10,000 back from the wholesaler. So then you got to look at your contract to see if the wholesaler has the right to keep your $10,000. If the wholesaler's contract's bulletproof, if they take your money and you've already given it to them, which by the way, you never give a wholesaler their money direct, ever, ever, ever. It always goes through a title company, an escrow company, a neutral third party, an attorney's trust account. So don't ever do that again. The second thing is you should know your comps. Every investor, number one most important thing is to know your comps. Know the as-is value, know the ARV. So, hate to break the news to you, but if it is $35,000 lower than its true value, if the wholesaler took your $10,000 in this particular situation, you is Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us and I'll try to answer your question for you.